Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to restart your M18 and we will see this all in this video. So here at the settings, storage and reset, factory reset at the bottom, press factory reset and it will tell you erase everything. If you go this way, this is the easiest way and the fastest, but you can go ahead in the settings all the way down we have reset TV box, and when you go to factory data reset, as you can see it tells you a couple of things. Reset TV box, and press erase everything. In this way you will erase all the data that was in that box, and also it will fix some of the problems that people might have. A bunch of people doing this method to fix their problem, and probably it should fix if you have any problem at all. So now as you can see it's restarting, erasing everything, and a couple of minutes go by, it will restart again. You will be able to use it. You can see now we have all the settings like in the first place. This is default settings. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart box.